Have you ever spent hours scrolling through LinkedIn trying to build a high quality lead list only to end up with a mess of irrelevant profiles? It's frustrating, right? You know the decision makers are out there, but LinkedIn search just doesn't seem to get you the right people fast enough. Well, what if I told you there's a way to unlock LinkedIn's full potential? A way to search smarter, not harder, and find the exact kind of prospects you need. Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to master LinkedIn Boolean search to build highly targeted lead lists. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that saves you hours and fills your pipeline with high quality leads. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. All right, let's start us off with some context. What exactly is Boolean search? Well, Boolean search is a technique that allows you to combine keywords with special operators to make your searches far more precise. You're basically giving LinkedIn very specific instructions on who you want to see in your results. Now, while most people just type in job titles or company names and hope for the best, with Boolean search, you can craft detailed queries that cut through the noise and deliver exactly the kind of leads you need. For example, instead of searching for marketing and getting everyone from interns to CMOs, you can search for marketing manager and SaaS, non-intern, to focus on decision makers in the SaaS industry while filtering out irrelevant profiles. It's like flipping a switch that turns LinkedIn's basic search into a powerful prospecting tool. Okay, so to fully unlock this power, you need to understand how LinkedIn's Boolean operators work. These operators are like the commands that tell LinkedIn how to filter and combine search terms. First up, quotation marks are an absolute essential. When you search for a multi-word title like head of sales, using quotes tells LinkedIn to look for that exact phrase. Without quotes, LinkedIn might show profiles with the words head and sales scattered throughout, which definitely isn't helpful. Next, there's or. This broadens your search. Imagine you want to find marketing leaders, but they might have slightly different job titles. You could search for marketing manager or marketing director or head of marketing. This tells LinkedIn to show profiles with any of these titles. Perfect for covering multiple variations without missing potential leads. Next, there's and. This narrows your search. If you're looking for sales leaders specifically in the SaaS industry, you can search for sales manager and SaaS. This ensures that both keywords appear in the profile, giving you more relevant results. Then we have not. This excludes certain terms from your searches. Let's say you're targeting CEOs, but don't want assistants cluttering your search. So you'd look up CEO, not assistant. This removes assistants to CEOs from your results, helping you focus only on the key decision makers. Finally, parentheses allow you to combine these operators for even more control. For example, if you want to find senior SaaS leaders in sales, but exclude consultants and freelancers, you'd search for the following: VP of sales or head of sales, and SaaS not consultant or freelancer. This ensures LinkedIn processes the group terms correctly, delivering highly targeted results. Now let's be honest. Even with all this power, LinkedIn's free search has its limits. You'll find yourself capped at 1,000 search results, and complex searches sometimes don't even work as expected. So how do we get around that? This is where LinkedIn Sales Navigator becomes an absolute game changer. So, for those of us who might be unaware, Sales Navigator is LinkedIn's premium search tool designed specifically for prospecting. Not only does it unlock over 40 advanced filters, but it also removes many of those restrictions that you've been dealing with the free version of LinkedIn. With Sales Navigator, you can filter by things like company size, seniority level, geography, industry, and even recent job changes. If you don't already have a subscription, get on it. But don't stress, LinkedIn offers a 30-day free trial that you can get started with today. Not sure where to find that? Don't worry. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of LinkedIn and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Next, in the section labeled Account Preferences, scroll down until you find Subscriptions and Payments. From there, you might see a variety of different options, but just click through until you find Upgrade to Sales Navigator and follow the prompts to start your free trial. This whole process only takes a few minutes, so definitely do it. All right, now that you've got your Sales Nav subscription activated, let me show you how it works. Say you want to target VPs of sales and SaaS companies with 50 to 200 employees. In Sales Navigator, you can start by applying filters for job title, industry, company size, and even location. Now, layer in a Boolean search like VP of sales and SaaS not consultant, and suddenly you've got a hyper-targeted list of decision makers who are exactly who you need to reach. And the best part, LinkedIn Sales Navigator looks at current job titles, not past roles. So instead of wasting time on profiles of people who used to hold those positions, you're getting up-to-date search results, meaning that your searches are far more accurate. Now, before we wrap up, here are a quick few tips to help you get even more out of Boolean search. First, always combine LinkedIn's built-in filters with Boolean search. Filters like geography, seniority level, and industry help you refine your search even more. Second, take the time to refine your Boolean strings. Review the profiles that show up in your search bar and adjust your terms as needed to keep your results laser focused. Lastly, draft your Boolean searches in a text editor before pasting them into LinkedIn. This makes it easier to spot mistakes and tweak your searches without getting lost in LinkedIn's tiny search bar. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips and strategies. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.